Where'd you go? I'm holding the camera straight. Why is it doing that? Golly. What the hell? You look at it, it's right there. It's right there straight. It's just staying right there. What the hell? Oh God. Those are so creepy, those things. I mean, helicopters, you can't even find them. I look all over for what one was like. Because look it up here, up here. There's another one. There's another one up there. They're all over my house. I think they think I'm an alien or something. I don't know. It's been years. It's been years. The neighborhood is really pissed because sometimes we talk about tinnitus. We all have it because they're so low. We can maybe hear their blades. They could be sending microwaves to us. Who knows, you know? They're all over. There must be 10 of them. There's only about 3 or 4 like this one. But the other ones are just regular. They just stay there all night. And we Americans pay for them to spy on us. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Look at, it's almost stealth. I think it's a stealth thing. Because I'm holding the camera pretty well. And look at, golly. What is it doing? I mean, they usually just sit there. Why is this one moving all around? You know, you see, I'm next to a road you can hear. We call it the Drag Raceway. Crosstown Road, Drag Raceway. Oh my God. And you never see them. These aren't police ones. These are Homeland Security. And they're almost, I mean, they look like freaking UFOs themselves. I got it. Oh, where'd he go? See, in real life, yeah, he's gone. But he's there. There's one. And then there's one over here. Oh, he's still there. He's hiding behind a cloud. He's spying. Isn't that crazy? Okay, I'm walking. I'm going to show you. It's too cloudy, but yeah, they're over our houses. They're all over our houses. Here's a, this is something that intrigues me. It's a, those are the lights over there on the Drag Raceway. Oh, that's a house, sorry. Sorry, people, not spying. Oh, there's another one of those things. Look, let's see, the other one, I don't see it sitting there like it was. But here comes another one. Here comes another one. There it is. So there's, this guy's there. Come on, wait.